हेलो बच्चों, वेलकम टू अक्षरों की गिनती। आज के इस वीडियो में हम सीखने वाले हैं ABC 1 2 3। ये हैं हमारे कलर्स। ब्लू कलर, लाइट ग्रीन कलर, ब्राउन कलर, ऑरेंज कलर, येलो कलर। A A for apple. A for apple. Apple. B B for ball. B for ball. Ball. C C for car. C for car. Car. One. Number one. O-N-E. One. Two. T-W-O. Two. Number two. Three. T-H-R-E-E. Three. Number three. येलो कलर। कौन सा कलर है बच्चों? येलो कलर। बोलो बोलो, येलो कलर। ए A A for apple. B B B for ball. Brown color. It's a brown color. B B for ball. C C for car. Green color. It's a green color. C for car. One. Number one. O-N-E. One. Brown color. It's a brown color. Number two. Two. T-W-O. Two. Blue color. It's a blue color. Number 3. THREE. 3. Yellow color. It's a yellow color. A for apple. B for ball. Ball. C for car. कार। बच्चों वीडियो को लाइक करो, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो।